The government's sweeping crackdown on street vending and second-hand clothing sale has sparked outrage not just among affected traders, but also from within the ruling ZANU-PF's own support base. Sambe na mashoko kubuda panguva ine kunogona kwaita an outcry after Mnangagwa regime yava yakachisa away vendors from the streets. Panguva ino indorwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tinda mnauziru mubudani kwa mchinzi. On Monday, local government and public works minister Daniel Garwe declared an immediate ban on the importation and sale of mabero, second-hand clothes, alongside a blanket prohibition on all forms of street and night vending. The announcement came during a meeting with the Harare city councillors at Town House. In quotes, "I want to make it clear that government has banned the importation and selling of the second-hand clothing," Garwe said. As a result, all street vending and night vending activities are now prohibited with immediate effect. He directed city authorities to act quickly, stating, "The city of Harare is directed to work closely with the law enforcement agencies to ensure there is no further vending on the streets or at night. The time to act is now, not tomorrow." The sudden directive has ignited backlash from ZANU-PF hardliners and online loyalists, with many questioning the logic behind banning vendors soon after they were beneficiaries of a state-sponsored empowerment program. Posting on the Operation Restore Legacy Facebook page, a platform run by vocal ZANU-PF activist but loyalists lashed out at Garwe's decision. In quotes, "These guys, are they supporting President Mnangagwa or they are sabotaging him quietly but creating silly confusion that could trigger an uprising?" One post read. Critics pointed out the contradiction between the new ban and the Presidential Empowerment Fund recently rolled out to support informal traders aligned with the ruling party under the Vendors for ED banner. Just a few days ago, the Presidential Empowerment Fund was availed to Vendors for ED. Now those same beneficiaries, many of whom had stockpiled goods and resale, have just been hit with a ban that stops them from trading, courtesy of Minister Garwe. The post continued. Thomas Kwanobuda nyoko pangwa ine vanhu vachitaka vana Minister Garwe panguva panoonekwa kunzi even nemazanu-PF loyalists panguva ine they are not clashing with him, vachimuti uyu anombonzi Garwe arimbosapota President Mnangagwa empowerment programs here kana kuti zvanoita vanotanga vambofunga here after vabhana kutengeswa kwemabhero. Imbotidze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii? Panguva ino vari kuonekwa kuti macitizens panguva ino vari kudojamuka vachitoti izvi zvavari kuzama kuda kuita izvi I think they do hazvitomboshandi. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.